Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to use multiple Telegram accounts on one iPhone. If you want to manage different accounts on a single device, here's how to do it. Start by opening the Telegram app on your iPhone. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're in the settings menu, look for the option Add Account and select it. Now, simply log in with the phone number for the new account. Switching between accounts is just as simple. Go back to Settings or tap your profile icon and you'll see the list of accounts. Tap on the one you want to switch to. Alternatively, you can long press the Settings icon and a quick menu will appear where you can choose the desired account. That's it. Now you can seamlessly manage multiple accounts on Telegram. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.